Are you tired of cold showers and skyrocketing energy bills? You might be wasting hundreds of dollars every year on the wrong water heater. But don't worry. Today, we got you covered. Welcome to Top Home Finds, where we bring you the best products to make your home smarter and your life easier. In this video, we're revealing the 5 best bathroom water heaters in 2025, so you can stop wasting money and start enjoying endless hot showers without breaking the bank. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below to let us know which water heater you're using right now. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best home solutions. First up is the EcoSmart Eco 11 electric tankless water heater. Here are some advantages highlighting 4 main advantages of the EcoSmart Eco 11 electric tankless water heater. Endless hot water on demand. Say goodbye to running out of hot water. Enjoy a continuous flow of perfectly heated water whenever you need it. Energy-saving smart technology. Equipped with self-modulating technology, this unit adjusts energy usage based on your demand, helping you save up to 60% on water heating costs. Compact space-saving design. No bulky tanks. Its sleek, wall-mounted design frees up valuable space in your bathroom or utility area. Easy installation and low maintenance. Designed for hassle-free setup and long-lasting performance, so you can enjoy comfort without the extra work. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Next up is the Rheem 18 kilowatt 240 volt tankless electric water heater. Here are some advantages for the Rheem 18 kilowatt 240 volt tankless electric water heater. Powerful performance. Delivers a strong and consistent flow of hot water, perfect for multiple bathroom applications. Energy efficiency. Advanced self-modulating technology optimizes energy use, reducing utility costs without sacrificing comfort. Compact, sleek design. Space-saving wall-mounted unit that fits seamlessly into modern bathrooms. Digital temperature control. Easy-to-use interface for precise temperature settings, ensuring maximum comfort and safety. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Next up is the Stiebel Eltron Tempra 24 Plus electric tankless water heater. Here are some advantages for the Stiebel Eltron Tempra 24 Plus electric tankless water heater. Advanced flow control technology maintains consistent water temperature even when demand fluctuates, ensuring a perfect shower every time. High energy efficiency. Designed to reduce energy consumption without compromising performance, helping you save on utility bills. Digital precision control. Features an easy-to-use digital display for accurate temperature settings and maximum comfort. Silent, durable design. Operates quietly and built with premium materials for long-lasting reliability in your bathroom. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Next up is the Ecotinymach 110 volt tankless water heater, 3000 watts. Here are some advantages for the Ecotinymach 110 volt tankless water heater, 3000 watts. Compact and space-saving, perfect for small bathrooms or under-sink installations without taking up valuable space. Instant hot water. Provides quick heating for showers or sinks, so you never have to wait for warm water again. Energy-efficient design. Uses only the power needed for your demand, helping reduce electricity costs. Easy installation and operation. Simple setup with user-friendly controls for hassle-free use. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. And fifth, we have the Daordaer Mini Electric Tankless Water Heater, 3000 watts. Here are some advantages for the Daordaer Mini Electric Tankless Water Heater, 3000 watts. Instant heating performance. Provides rapid hot water for showers or sinks, eliminating long wait times. Smart digital display. Features an easy-to-read screen for precise temperature control and convenience. Compact and stylish design. Perfect for small bathrooms or apartments, saving space without sacrificing performance. Energy-efficient operation. Uses only the power needed, helping you cut down on electricity costs. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Thank you so much for watching Top Home Finds. We hope this guide to the 5 best bathroom water heaters in 2025 helps you make the right choice and save money while enjoying endless hot showers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you the best home solutions. Wishing you the very best in creating a more comfortable and efficient home. Until next time, stay smart, stay cozy, and we'll see you in the next video.